The SuperShapes Circus. Little Rhombus watches the circus performers. They're having a final rehearsal. Little Rhombus gasps at the triangles swing high on the trapeze. The circles roll slowly along the high wire. Squares do tricks on unicycles. The rectangles juggle. Mr. Star the Clown tells funny jokes. The hearts finish with a dance, and now it's time for a big finale. The hexagons form a line and the other shapes climb on top. They balance and climb, and balance and climb. We're ready for you, little Rhombus. Well, you didn't think he was just there to watch, didn't you?